Engaging children in their studies can sometimes feel like an uphill battle. However, creating a conducive learning environment can make all the difference. Begin by making their study space inviting and free from distractions. Comfortable seating, good lighting, and organized supplies can set the tone for productive study sessions. Next, connect their studies with real-life experiences. Show them how math translates to their favorite hobbies or how science explains phenomena they find fascinating. This contextual learning makes subjects more relatable and piques their curiosity. When children see the relevance of what they are learning, they are more likely to maintain interest and put in the effort. Incorporate interactive and hands-on activities into their study routine. Instead of rote memorization, encourage experiments, building models, or creative projects. This technique not only reinforces learning, but also makes the process enjoyable. For instance, a science experiment might transform a dull topic into an exciting project, encouraging children to explore further. Regular positive reinforcement can significantly boost a child's enthusiasm for studies. Celebrate their achievements, no matter how small, and offer praise for their efforts. This recognition helps build confidence and shows them that hard work pays off. Create a reward system where consistent effort and good performance lead to earned incentives, reinforcing their interest in learning. Balancing structured study time with breaks and leisure activities is crucial. Long periods of focused study can lead to burnout, so it's essential to incorporate short breaks and physical activities. These breaks can refresh their minds and improve concentration when they return to their studies. Encourage hobbies and extracurricular activities, as these can also provide valuable learning experiences and keep their overall interest in knowledge alive. Technology can be a powerful tool if used wisely. Utilize educational apps and websites that combine learning with fun. There are countless resources available that make subjects interactive and engaging, turning screen time into productive study time. However, ensure that technology use is monitored to prevent potential distractions. Lastly, foster a growth mindset in your children. Emphasize that intelligence and abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Share stories of people who overcame challenges through persistence and learning. This mindset can make children more resilient to academic challenges and more motivated to learn. In conclusion, keeping children interested in studies requires a multifaceted approach. By creating an inviting study environment, making learning relevant, incorporating hands-on activities, offering positive reinforcement, balancing study with breaks, using technology wisely, and fostering a growth mindset, you can help them develop a lifelong love for learning.